like a small vehicle with wheels that you can sit in and steer. A bus. A bus is a big car that can carry lots of passengers. It is used to take many people to different places. A train. A train is used to travel long distances, often between cities. It's like a very long car that goes on special tracks. A bicycle. A bicycle is a two-wheeled vehicle that you ride to get around. You pedal with your feet to make it move, and you steer with the handlebars. A truck. A truck is a big vehicle used to carry heavy things from one place to another. A taxi. A taxi is a car that people can hire to take them from one place to another. When someone needs a ride, they can call for a taxi or find one on the street. A motorcycle. A motorcycle is a two-wheeled vehicle that people ride to travel from one place to another. Instead of pedaling like on a bicycle, it has a motor that helps it go faster. A subway. A subway train is a special kind of train that runs underground or in tunnels. A tricycle. A tricycle is a bike with 3 wheels. It's often used by young kids because it's stable and easy to ride. A garbage truck. A garbage truck is a big vehicle that collects trash from our homes and streets. A limousine. A limousine, or limo, is a very long car that looks fancy. Riding in a limo makes the day feel extra special and fun, like being a star. A tram. A tram is like a small train that runs on tracks along the street. It carries people around the city. An auto rickshaw. An auto rickshaw is a small vehicle with 3 wheels. It is used to travel short distances. They are often colorful and can fit a few people inside. A scooter. A scooter is a small two-wheeled vehicle that you stand on and push with your feet. Riding a scooter is fun. They're great for short trips and helps you move quickly. Like, subscribe and share Boo and Bubbles TV.